welcome to Project Air this week. Hello, my name's James and thanks for tuning in. Today we're having another go at this hydroplane project. This is part 3, I think, and we're essentially going to be making it waterproof again and putting a bigger battery in it. And yeah, and then we're going to take it out on the lake. So let's get started without further ado. The power system I'm going to be using on this is a 4-cell power system, so we're going up from 7.4 volts to 16.8, I think it is. So yeah, that's going to give us a lot more power. We're going to be able to go a lot faster, hopefully, and yeah, I'll be able to show you really what this boat is capable of. Right then, this is Mike again.
Hello.
And yeah, it's really cold. The water is nice and still, so we thought that we'd come and bring this out again, do a few more speed runs. How are you feeling about this, Mike? It's pretty cold, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very cold.
We'll see how this goes, and yeah, let's talk about the specs. The water level has gone up a lot. This used to be sort of nice and dry, didn't it?
You can see in the other videos.
Yeah. So we're just going to have to go back over here because the water levels come up onto this sort of apron thing here. Yeah, it's rained a lot. Hopefully it, yeah, hopefully it doesn't start raining a lot because we need to get this episode shot. You feel me?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Take that as well.
Oh yeah. Okay, cool. So just to summarise with the improvements to the boat since last week, we've stuck a 4-cell battery in here. I've also managed to sort of waterproof the whole thing. So I put epoxy resin around here, around these joints, just to make sure that the boat doesn't leak this time. But it might still do, but you know what, we're just going to go for it, and if it crashes, then it crashes. So shout out to the commenter last week who said that maybe I should have just bought a boat from Walmart. I mean, I suppose you could have done that, but the thing is that the fun in this challenge is to make a hydroplane, which is a type of boat which is quite difficult to get right. So yeah.
Also, we don't have Walmart in the UK.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, good point. All right, it's raining a lot, so we're just going to stick it in the water. Man, look at the rain now.
Oh god.
Oh no.
Just as we're putting it in.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all right.
Let's go. Oh wow, that's fast. Oh my god, it's chucking it down. Going around. Gonna do a high-speed run. Ready. Oh, that's pretty good. Going again. Full speed.
Woo.
Oh damn.
Is it crashed?
I've got it stuck.
Oh no.
Right, probably best to put the camera right at this point.
Yeah.
So we got it stuck. It's absolutely chucking it down with rain. So we're going to sort of pause this and yeah, do it again some other time. Thanks very much for watching though. If this is the last attempt in this video, make sure you subscribe and also like this video. And yeah, I mean, you should do because we're getting absolutely soaked here. So all right, see you later. Goodbye.